So a lot of people says, babe, I need to cut my hair.
Nah.
So Travis don't like short hair, guys. Baka nagaano kayo. Yung iba kasi nagsasabi na, cut mo na yung hair mo, ganun. So, I think marami sa mga American, ganun.
I mean, you could cut it a little bit.
A little bit, pero
but...
ayaw niya ng super short hair. Yung parang bawasan lang, ganun, to remove the, like, the dead, yung split ends, ganyan. Pero siya madalas nagka-cut ng hair ko eh. 'Di ba? You cut my hair last time. I think two times na niyang kinat yung hair ko. Pero ayaw niyang i-cut ng medyo
basically be
So
a
yun,
salon.
kaya I don't cut my hair super short because Travis don't like short hair, you know. Why you don't like short hair?
I've never liked short hair.
Yeah.
Just not.
Kaya hindi ako nagpapa-short hair.
not-
Although ayoko rin kasi talaga ng short hair, guys, para sa face ko.
It really depends. You know what I mean? Like on the person, if they can pull off short hair, but not many.
Yes, and my face is not, is not good if I have short hair kasi bilugan kasi yung mukha ko. So yun, para akong siopaw kapag ka, para akong siopaw kapag ka nagpa-short hair ako. Kaya yun yung dahilan, kaya hindi ako nagpapa-short hair talaga. Okay lang hanggang dito, babawasan lang, mga ganyan. Pero hindi talaga yung short hair, no? So yun.